Hello everyone, this is Miss Ivy. Today we are going to learn about Mathematics Form 3 Chapter 1, Subtopic 1.2a and 1.2b. For the previous knowledge, we have learned about base and index. For example, like this one, 4 to the power of 3 means that we times 4 3 times. We multiple 4 3 times. Next one, 1 over 3 to the power of 4 means that we times 1 over 3 4 times. We multiple 1 over 3 4 times. Then we have this 1 over 3 to the power of 4. Next one, we also learn about how to use scientific calculator to find out the answer. And we also know how to find the fraction 1 using scientific calculator. So topic of the day is we are going to learn about the multiplication of the numbers in index form with the same base and also with the different base. For the multiplication of the numbers in index form with the same base, I will show you some example on it. But before that, I would like to explain what is the meaning of same base. So same base means that the number is the same in one question. For example, like this. For example, like this. We have the first one. The base is A. Okay, here we have A to the power of 2 times A to the power of 7. So in this question, it only have one base, which is A. For second one, we also only have one base, which is 16. And for the third one, the base is B. Next one, I will explain on the example for the multiplication of numbers in index form with the same base. The first example is okay, 3 to the power of 2 times 3 times 3 to the power of 4. The second number here, it doesn't have the value of index, so we have to put it 1. Okay, we have to put it 1, and after this we can plus all together for the value of index, like this. 3 to the power of 2 plus the power of 1 and the power of 4, and 2 plus 1 and plus 4, we got 7. So the final answer is 3 to the power of 7. The next question, 2x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 7 times 9x to the power of 5. When there is no number in front of the terms, we have to put 1 here. Okay, after this, we have to separate the number with the terms, like this. The first column, we put in all the number, 2 times 1 times 9, and close the bracket. Second bracket, start with the terms x with the power of 3 plus power of 7 plus power of 5, and then we will have the answer of 18x to the power of 15. Next one, I will be explaining on the multiplication of the numbers in index form with the different base. I will show you some example to make you more understand. For the first example, we have a to the power of 4 times b to the power of 7 times b to the power of 9. So here we have two different bases, which is a and b. The second example, we have three different bases, which is 12, 6, and 7. And the third one, we have two different bases, which is b and a. Okay, although here we got three different numbers, but we only look at the terms b and terms a. Only b and a is the best. Next, I will show you some example on the different base index form. First one, we have negative k to the power of 5 times p to the power of 6 times 1 over 4 p to the power of 5 times 3k. For this one, we don't have the number in front of the terms of p, so as usual we have to put it as 1 in front here, becomes 1p to the power of 6. And for the 3k, we don't have the value of index, so we also have to put it as 1. So after we put the 1 in front here, we can start to do our calculation. Okay. Also do it as the same as just now I told you. Use two brackets to separate the number and the terms. First bracket is we only put down the number before the terms, and second bracket is the terms only with the value of index. Okay, so first one we have negative 2 times 1 times 1 over 4 times 3, and second bracket we have k to the power of 5 plus 1 times p to the power of 6 plus 5, and close the bracket, and we have the answer of negative 3 over 2 k to the power of 6 p to the power of 11. Okay, you guys can try to use your own calculator to calculate the answer. For second question, we have negative 0.7 to the power of 4 times 6 to the power of 2 times negative 0.7 to the power of 5 times 6 to the power of 6. For this question, first we have to rearrange the number according to the same base. For the first one, negative 0.7 to the power of 4 times negative 0.7 to the power of 5. This one, we group them together.
And then next one is the best of 6. We have 6 to the power of 2 times 6 to the power of 6. After we arrange all the um, index form with the same base, we can start to calculate the value of index. So we plus 4 with 5, and then for base of 6 we plus 2 with 6. And finally we got the answer is negative 0.7 to the power of 9 times 6 to the power of 8. So I have prepared 4 questions for you guys to try by yourself. So you can pause the video for yourself to finish all the questions first, and after that I will explain step by step for each of the question. Next, I will explain the answer with you guys step by step. The first question we have negative 0.4 to the power of 4 times negative 0.4 to the power of 3 times negative 0.4. And for the third number here, we don't have the value of index, so we have to put it 1. And after that we plus all the value of index together and we got 8. So the final answer is negative 0.4 to the power of 8. For second question we have negative 1 and 2 over 5 to the power of 2 times negative 1 and 2 over 5 to the power of 3 times negative 1 and 2 to the power and 2 over 5 to the power of 5. So we only need to plus all the index together because each of the number that have their own value of index. So 2 plus 3 plus 5, we got 10. So the final answer is negative 1 and 2 over 5 to the power of 10. The third question here, we have two different bases. The first base is 5 and the second base is 9. So we have to rearrange the base. Okay, here we don't have the base, so we have to put 1. Alright? So after we put 1, we rearrange them according to the same base. So 4 plus 1 and 9 to the power of 3 plus 2. So we got the answer here, 5 to the power of 5 times 9 to the power of 5. For question 4, the last question, we also have two different bases, which is 0.4 and 1.2. And please note that this 0.4, it doesn't have an index, value of index, so we have to put 1, and also same with this one. After we put all the 1 index, the value of index, we can rearrange them according to the same base. 0.4, 2 plus 1, 1.2, 3 plus 5 plus 1. So we have the answer 0.4 to the power of 3 times 1.2 to the power of 9. I have prepared few questions for quiz. So this quiz takes around 10 minutes for you guys to finish it. You guys can pause the video as well. And the answer I will post it inside the descriptive box. So you may find the answer inside there. So I would like to conclude the lesson for today. We have learned about the base and the index and also the multiplication of the numbers in index form with the same base and also the different base. So if you guys have any question, please comment on the comment section and let me know so that we can learn together. Thanks for watching.